the goal is to go out over it.
Yes,
And
just
to
a little
come
bit.
and come back over it.
Yeah.
So trying to prevent the in by coming over this way. So show us how that works. So Brian, we're going to try to help somebody fix an in to out path, right? Which is maybe causing a hook and some other issues. So we're going to use the alignment disc, and we set that up. If you set up next to the ball here first, next to the alignment disc, you'll see that we set this rod at roughly the same angle as is shafted at setup. And then we've got the disc out about a club head away, and we've got it inside here's the target line. My shadow's right here, but here's the target line. We've got it inside the target line, maybe 6 or 8 inches or so. All right, so what do we do from there? The goal is to go out over it.
Yes,
And
just
to
a little bit.
and come back over it,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
So we're trying to prevent the in by coming over this way. So show us how that works.
Yeah, so you'd sit here, you'd set up your little skill building station right here, and you'd kind of like map the club. See it? It's coming down straighter versus underneath the stick right here where there's a lot of chaos going on with the face.
Right.
So it kind of looks like this. So you just rehearse coming down and trying to get this shaft more in line so you can kind of like zero out your path a little bit so it's not too in to out. Here we go. We're going to go over a little bit.
Very nice.
Yep. So that straightened it out. If anything, it was a little bit of fade.
And again, as usual, start with half swings, get comfortable. And the other thing you can do is to be a little more comfortable. Start with the disc a little bit, in more, so you have a little more space. As you get more proficient, just move it a little closer to the target line.
Have fun with it, for sure. There's not a perfect scenario back there, but it should run a little interference, so your intellectual kind of reasoning on the downswing starts to zero out your path a little bit better.
Yeah, it's supposed to be more of a visual barrier than a physical barrier. Try not to hit it. So that's why we have the padding on there in case you do, and also to make it more visible so that you can see where your club's going.
That's great what you just said too, because when you're playing golf and stuff like that, you can use it. You can kind of pretend it's there, so you have this visual representation of it, even though it's physically not there.